Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I'll show you how to install the Channel Fight app on your Hisense Smart TV. This should be quick. If you find the video helpful, like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. So what you should do on your Hisense Smart TV is to locate your app store. Here's mine here. So just locate it and launch on your Hisense Smart TV, and it should look just like this. So as you go over here, what you have to do is to search for the application, which in this case is called Channel Fight. So what I'll do, I'll just go straight to the search button and I'll type in the name application, which is channel. So I'm going to type in channel, as you can see. And no need typing fight. I can just go over from here and search. And I'm going to get the application channel fight. Here's it. So click on it once and it's going to load the installation page or the page where you get the install button. So click install and the application is going to install. So you choose where to place it on your Hisense Smart TV, and once that's okay with you, you can go ahead and launch the application on your Hisense Smart TV and see how it looks like. So if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this.